for the said vice projector. Me not trust you. Get your one vice projector. I am full of style in a certain magic. A style. No, man, they can't use this. You can't cheat. You what? God damn. No. Behave yourself, please, man. Calm down. Alright, calm down. Don't do that, please. Relax. Behave yourself. Don't lose it. Too much time to defend yourself. Sit down. Don't pedal it. Don't. Yo, listen to the man. Feel the man. Relax.